Hey everyone, it's Deborah. Hey, I've missed you guys. I hope you're doing well. Please drop a comment below and let me know how you're doing. So let's jump right in. I have a few projects to show you today. And first off, the projects that I made using my Cricut. So this is a cut file that you can purchase from Carolina's Crafts, and I'm just going to do a quick flip through of the file, and I actually cut this on my Cricut Maker. So there's one of them I made. I goofed up, I messed up on it, and then here's the second one I made, and I haven't decorated it or anything, but you know, I think it's pretty cute. I just have to figure out how to decorate it. And then I made my own cut file on Cricut, and I think it's too big, but let me show you. You could definitely add some pictures, and definitely there would be room for pictures in this area. If you want me to share this file with you, it's huge though, guys. So just to give you a heads up, let's do some measurements on it. It is, and I don't know how to adjust it. So 4 1/4 by 8 3/4. It's huge for a mini album, but you know what? If you use different paper, the dad would show up better. But if you would like for me to share this file with you, please leave a comment and I'll be glad to do that. And it's just, you know, I wasn't going to put it there because I didn't know if anyone else would want it. So I have been making more of these, my little teacup mini albums. They're just little notepads, and I'm just putting those out there because some people mention about, about the little teacup mini albums that I've made in the past. And then here's a coffee cup one, and then here's a different coffee cup version that I made. And then here's a different teacup version I made in a different like a mug, teacup. But anyway, which one's your favorite out of these? So let's see. There's so many different options. This is probably my favorite right here. This version and this version is my second best. I do have some that I made from the fall, for the fall, and that's what they look like when you decorate them. I did make the stickers and everything in Cricut. So this is all I have to show today. I haven't been able to use my scraps yet. I mean, I just made a few things, and I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things. So bear with me, guys. Be patient. And also, I'm just going to let you know my schedule's changed. I'm only going to have a Saturday video. Oh, and I forgot to... I'm only going to have a Saturday video, just to give you a heads up on that. And it will be a long one, but for right now, that's what I need to do, because I have a lot going on. But anyway, that's what I'll do. So another thing I wanted to show you is I used the Scrap Diva Designs Camera Mini Album. I love this thing, and let me show you what I made. These little camera notebooks. Now, guys, if you know me, I don't do well with shakers. I don't know how to make them real well. In fact, you can see that it probably wasn't dry before I shook it, and yeah, some of the little gold things are stuck to the sides. Oh well. But anyway, I did make these, and just had so much fun with this. And I can see this as a little notebook, but since it is a camera, I thought, you got to store pictures in this. So I did do the chipboard instead of doing like these notebooks, and I actually made them into little notebooks. Okay, that's the Cricut version of those coffee things. But this, I decided I wanted to make these into actual notebooks where you can put pictures. And so I need to decorate the front. I have to figure that out. If you have any ideas, please comment below and let me know. How would you decorate that the front? I was thinking about, you know, putting some flowers on it. Some of my handmade flowers. Just trying to see if I have any. I don't know where all my handmade flowers are. Might have used them all. But anyway, I think I need to look in here and see if there's a layer for like this. There may be. Let me take a look, because I probably need to decorate that. Yeah, pardon my mess here with the die. Oh. Let's see. I've got it turned over. Okay. Well, I guess there isn't. I was hoping there was a little, you know, die for that. I guess there isn't. But unless I lost it, I hope not. But anyway, I was hoping there was an outline for that, because that would be real cute. And maybe I can figure something out. But anyway, that die is super cute, and I made 2 versions. So here is this one, and you know, you can't really see the shaker portion because I, you know, used pink that doesn't show up real well with this paper. So, but anyway, here is the inside of this one. I used some old paper that I had in my stash. And I don't remember which paper this is, to tell you the truth, guys. Yeah, but I used it, and that was great. So anyway, here's Scrap Diva's information. And remember, I am an affiliate. I will put the link in the description of that, of this die, actually, since that's the only one I've used in this. But anyway, I do have more of these coffee cups cut out, and I plan on making and just, you know, having fun with those. I'm having fun with my Cricut. I'm having fun with Scrap Diva Designs, and just taking my time and making things that are taking a lot of thought in them right now, and I'm okay with that. So anyway, you guys, I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you next Saturday. And hopefully I plan on doing, like, you know, project share at the beginning of the video, and then I will do what scraps are left over from the week of me making stuff, and then I will show you what I make with those scraps, because I absolutely love that process. I don't know about you guys, but it really gets overwhelming when you have a bunch of scraps left over and you don't want to toss them, you want to make something out of them. And that process for me is just so enjoyable. And I hope it is for you too. And just, you know, try to give you some ideas of what you can make with those scraps and you know, the scraps will definitely coordinate with the projects you've made that week, and you could go back and use them in those projects, which is so much fun. That's why I like to make flowers, a lot of flowers, with my leftover scraps. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please let me know what your favorite notebook is out of all of those that I showed you, the styles. Remember, the styles are this one, which is, you know, like a coffee mug. There's 2 different versions of the coffee mug. I mean, not coffee mug. What do you call those? You know what I'm talking about? Like the paper coffee cup. There's two different versions. This one's a lot wider. Okay. And then you have this teacup. Does not have the saucer piece on it. And then this mug. And remember, I just put white paper in the inside. And then my favorite version, which is this one. Of course, my favorite version, this one, and then second best, this one, which is the same as those fall ones that I have. So comment below, let me know which ones are your favorites. I'm just curious. Talk to you later. Bye.